What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Carson here at Tacoma Lifestyle. We have a epic new product on the website. This is the Z Precision Tacoma cup holders. Now, this is probably one of the most functional mods and accessories that we have on the entire website, and it's something that, in my opinion, is a must-have in your Tacoma. You know, once you get your Tacoma, one of the first things you realize pretty quickly is you go and put your Hydro Flask or Yeti, you know, your Stanley, your nice water bottle in your cup holder, and it will not fit. And you don't know where to put it, so you end up, you know, throwing it on the floor. Super inconvenient. This problem solved, the Z Precision cup holders. It allows you to, voila, put your cup right in this holder, holds it in snug, and the install is pretty easy. This is our first time throwing it in, so we are gonna do it right now with you and show you how to do it. All right, so like I said, for some reason, your common water bottle will not fit in any of your cup holders. You know, instead, they're falling out like that. So let's fix that issue. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is you are going to unscrew your shifter knob. This one right here, we're doing a little bit of R&D on our new shift knob, so this is off. But as normal on a OEM shift knob, you will pull that clip down and it'll release the boot, and you are going to just screw it off. After that, we just want to open this up here. So what we do is we need to lift up this entire center console. It sounds daunting and scary, but it is not. Like all Toyotas, they're Lego pieces, so you do not have to undo any screws or anything to do this. So you're simply just going to grab right here, grabbing on the border on the north side of your center console, and you are just going to give it a little pull, just like that. And that is now going to release your center console. And you are just going to pull it up just like that. Next, there is one right here. If you can see this, there is one cord you just need to unplug. Don't pull on the cords or anything. You're just going to grab this white piece and just disconnect it right there. That is going to allow you to pull your entire center console out. So just gonna work your shifter boot out, and it is released just like that. All right, now that you've released your center console, we're just gonna take this to the back of the bed just so we can see it a little better. So you'll just flip it over, and as you can see, you have 6 main screws right here. That's all you're gonna use to release the old cup holder. All you will need is a Phillips, and we're just gonna remove all 6 of those. All right, and now that you've removed those 6 screws, it's gonna pop out just like that. And we're gonna grab the new one, and everything will line up perfectly. Let's go ahead and throw those 6 screws right back in. All right, and now that everything is screwed back in, it's looking good. Let's go throw it back in the truck. All right, so you'll just start with doing the exact same thing. Just feed this right through the shifter boot. Let's get this plugged in, right? Make sure to plug this back in, obviously. That'll snap right back into place. Then it's just gonna be a matter of working this back through. There we go. Just work this e-brake boot right back on. Perfect. Make sure everything's lining up correctly. Just going to work this and make sure every tab is perfectly put back down. Then you will just grab your shifter knob, put it back on, and you're done. Easy as that. Took about 10-15 minutes. Not bad. Let's grab the water bottle now and see if everything is looking correct. All right, and that goes in perfect. Wow, gives you so much more room. This is definitely a must-have, definitely a game changer. Most water bottles are this size, so keeps it a lot more snug and looks so much better. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can tell, the install was super easy. If you wanted to grab one of these Epic products, we will throw the link right here in the description. Also, as always, would love to get your feedback and comments. What are your thoughts on this? Is it a must-have? I personally think it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. It means everything to us. See you next time.